Ever wonder how some creators get those insanely crisp close-up shots? The ones that make everything look expensive? Yeah, this is the secret. And now, the moment I picked it up, I felt it. The weight, the sturdiness. It has that solid real gear feel. Nothing flimsy, it just feels made for creators. Everything inside has this clean, compact vibe. The cloth, the clip, the little bag with the light, and even charger. It's simple, organized, and honestly, kind of satisfying to unpack. The whole kit is tiny enough to take anywhere, which I love. These are the two lenses, and they twist together so smoothly. The macro gives you those dreamy detailed close-ups, and the wide angle opens up your whole space for the outfits of the day or room shots. Clipping it on is super easy. And look at this. Moving it closer and further from the plant, the detail just snaps into focus. It's wild how much sharper everything looks. And that's the whole Xenvo kit. Small, simple, and honestly, such a beautiful upgrade for anybody who loves creating.